Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. And comment down below if you guys ever do this video. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make fluffy slime. And I'm so excited for this challenge. Or not challenge, but like slime. So here's an example of the slime that I'm going to be making. So yeah. So I did fluffy slime before. If you go check that video out, and Brianna Nisadame on my channel, you guys can check that video out. It's going to say how to make cloud slime. Wow, I think it's going to say that. And you should go check that video out. Yeah. So I'm going to be making another fluffy slime. So you guys will need a bowl and a spoon, baby powder and paint, or like any kind of color, Elmer's glue glue, shaving foam, and contact lens solution. Oh, and also containers. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you guys are going to pour in your white Elmer's school glue. That's a lot. Okay. Then when you guys are done with that, you guys are going to pour in your baby powder. Okay. Then you guys are going to mix. Then you guys are going to pour in your paint. This is always a hard one. Huh. Paint makes the slime like more. Paint makes the slime like more colorful and stuff. So yeah, when you guys are done with the paint, you guys are gonna mix. Then when you guys are done mixing, you guys are gonna pour in your shaving foam. You guys are gonna pour in whatever. I'm gonna pour in my contact lens solution first. Done. Then you guys are gonna mix. Whoa, guys, it looks like water. Then you guys are gonna pour in your shaving foam, and it should start forming. I'm gonna cover it with more shaving foam. It's forming. Guys, if you guys can see, it's pretty cool how it's forming. Awesome. Okay. Ew, it's really sticky. Ew. Guys, you should not touch it yet. Now I'm going to put some. Okay, this one is super sticky. Okay guys, if you guys look at the slime, it is super awesome. It's a really good slime. I'm just going to get all the slime. The slime is awesome.
Sobre el paradero del periodista Luis Carlos Díaz, un activista, un crítico y bueno, reportero también en ese país.
Oh no! I put the slime in the other slime. It's really awesome, but guys, look how awesome. guys. This slime is awesome. Okay guys, so here's my final product. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and comment down below telling me if you guys like this video. Bye guys. Toodles!